All right, chat, new year, new season, and German Muscle is back. First no prep of the year, and we got a lineup waiting, so let me give y'all the rundown. We got a Scat, a Supra, an Infiniti, and as our final race, we got the Hawk. What y'all think? We going 4 for 4? Drop in the comments how many races you think we gonna win. Me and the Scat. Yeah.
You guys want to roll today?
Roll. Looks like she wants a dig. On a railroad drive, she gonna be at a disadvantage. But you never know, guys. She could surprise us. We'll see. I wonder why she chose to do a dig. You didn't want to do a roll?
No, I don't want to do a roll.
Okay. Okay.
I laid off the line, but that was good.
It was good seeing you again.
Good seeing you.
All right. Take care.
You too.
Alright guys, so up next is the red Supra, and it shares the same B58 engine as the M340, so it's a wolf in sheep's clothing. Can't sleep on this. Infiniti got him. Guess it's time for me to get ready for my race. All right, guys, that's our next opponent. We got an Infiniti Q50. Not sure what he's working with, but he wanted to race me, so we'll see soon enough. I'll tell y'all one thing, you can't sleep on them Infinitis. Them James be moving. Not sure if y'all remember one of my Infiniti races from last year. But that's just one example of what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, anyone can be quick. It all comes down to the build. Road racing, right? Bet.
40?
Huh?
40?
That's fine. Your shit move, twin. Dang. What's the setup?
4 bolts on tune.
Okay. Race box? That race box hit different, bro. I raced somebody last year with the exact same build as you, and I lost.
So you, I think I know you're talking about. Is it a black car?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah. But I mean, you about the same speed as him though, for real. But I just put downpipes in. That's why I'm a little faster. Right. Yeah. But that James. Oh, you on what are you on?
93.
You on 93? Okay, yeah, I am too. Yeah. I got look. That Infiniti was quick too, bro. Shoot, he was right there with me. All right, all right. How y'all been? Yeah, pretty good.
You've been running good as hell tonight.
I was struggling at first because I was trying to grip on this cold pavement.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna tell you, it just won't working out.
Yeah, that's what Trevor was having a hard time.
So, Trevor, that was you all day if you had if y'all had started together.
Bro, I was like, bro.
Yeah.
I was like, what codes are you looking at, bro? Bro just went. Like,
Yeah, because you were pulling on him. You were definitely reeling.
As soon as he hit it, I was like, okay. Like,
I hate it when people do that, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Bro, you don't see it, the whole line of cars in front of you going at the codes. Like,
I'm saying though.
Yeah.
But that was definitely you, bro. He don't get no points for that.
you were still door to door at PM2. That's the funny part.
Had this have been a quarter mile, you would have gotten him for sure.
Oh, yeah.
No two ways about it.
I'm gonna park the car.
All right, bro. Yo, good run again, bro.
Appreciate
Yes,
it,
indeed.
bro.
Yes, indeed, bro.
Yes,
Yeah. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Are you gonna do anything else to it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go on E70.
Woo! You already upgraded your high and low pressure pumps?
Only the low pressure pump. I gotta do the
high
pressure
I got
and
you.
the injectors.
Okay, yeah, that's all right, bro. I'll be looking forward to racing you, cause yeah, definitely, bro. That's gonna be a fire setup.
I got the drag pack at home. I gotta, because it's all-wheel drive, I gotta swap those tires. But I'm trying to just buy some other wheels. That way I ain't gotta keep going to the tire shop.
Right. Okay. That's all right.
You want to roll?
Yeah. Roll. I got 40.
You need a 5 to 10 minute cool down because his shit is big tail.
Yeah, they doing a money run. Oh man, these guys, they taking it to the next level. Finna get serious with it.
Hey, put the Apple Pay on it. Hey, do it. Just right.
He pushing the S7.
I'm just trying to run this joint for
We trying to run it. We trying to go eat, man.
He said he was
trying to eat some free food. He said he will run it.
I run it for 100 if you need some money. But I'm just trying to race till I lead.
Green joint?
Yeah.
Sir, it's your call, bro.
The green M340 right now.
You said you were running.
That shit fast.
You said gray. You said gray M340.
We say green M340. Bro, why y'all be doing that, bro? It's just a fun run on the track, bro. It don't need.
But you said for money, I run for money. I mean, I'm just trying to race before I leave.
Nigga say bread.
We gotta be money.
Nigga say bread. We say bread.
Free.
Nigga say what car. We say what car. Still
I
don't
race
run
for
it.
money up for free. It don't matter.
Let me find out that John the fraud, bro.
I mean, if not, I ain't tripping. I just go home. I didn't want to. I'm just trying to race before I go home. Like,
I feel that. Yeah,
But
shoot.
You want to do money?
They backed out.
And then you still didn't want to go eat.
Man.
Oh,
man. That would have been a good race.
I don't even know what's done to my car.
That would have been a good race.
The last time I raced, bro, I was stock turbo.
Yup.
The last time they were doing the same shit. And
Right.
They were doing the same shit, but he was stock turbo. He was stock turbo king. And I beat him when I was stock turbo.
Okay.
And then they all shut up and shit. They were doing the same shit. Man, them niggas corny as hell, bro. This nigga raced the beat that nigga. And then they like some money spread or some shit. He did like a money spread on the top of his on the roof of his car. And then I pulled out, I was like, yo, I'm trying to run the jump. And then they waited until the niggas about to close, and I'm like, you trying to run the jump? They're like, we trying to run for money. I'm like, not for money. Then I'm like, fuck, we can do it for some money. And then they still didn't want to run the jump, and they all pulled off. That's crazy.
We tried, bro. We tried. Yeah. All right, guys. We up against a 1,000 horsepower Trackhawk, so let's see how we do. That was a good race, bro. Thanks, man. Yes, indeed. Shoot, I enjoyed racing you for real.
I'll see you next time.
Have a good night, bro. Yep, thanks. You too.